morning, class 9 students. Here I am discussing some important and interesting question answers of physical science from your syllabus. So let's start. Question number 1. Neutrons can be found in all atomic nuclei except in one case. Which is the atomic nucleus and what does it consist of? Answer is hydrogen atom. It consists of only one proton in the nucleus. Question number 2. How many protons and neutrons are there in the following nuclei? First one is 13C6. Here number of protons 6, number of neutrons 7. Second one is 16O8. Here number of protons 8, number of neutrons 8. Third one 24Mg12. Here number of protons 12 and number of neutrons also 12. Question number 3. Explain what is observed when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution. And number 2. An electric current is passed through a colloidal solution. Answer number 1. Scattering of light takes place, a phenomenon called Tyndall effect. Number 2. Movement of charged particles towards oppositely charged electrodes, a phenomenon called electrophoresis. 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 Now next question. What are the physical states of dispersed phase and dispersion medium of a cloud? Answer. Dispersed phase, liquid, here water droplets, and dispersion medium is gas. Number 5. What are the physical states of dispersed phase and dispersion medium of fog? Answer. Dispersed phase, liquid, water droplets, dispersion medium, gas from air. Number 6. Why solutions do not exhibit Tyndall effect? Answer. The solute particles in a true solution are too small. It's actually less than 1 nanometer to scatter the light. Therefore, true solution does not exhibit Tyndall effect. Question number 7. 10 milliliter of a solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8 milliliter of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 milliliter of the same solution of NaOH, what amount of HCl solution, the same solution as before, shall be required to neutralize it? Answer. 16 milliliter of HCl solution will be required. Next question, number 8. Who am I? Number A, that means you have to identify this. Okay. In a different way, I have given the question, who am I? So first, number A, I can roughly measure pH value from 0 to 14. Answer, I am universal indicator. Number B, I am a compound of calcium and can be used for disinfecting drinking water as well as for decolorization. Answer, bleaching powder. I am bleaching powder. Formula is CaOClCl. You know the chemical name, then also I am repeating. Calcium chlorohypochlorite. Ca within the bracket OCl, outside the bracket Cl. Number C. I am an oxide capable of showing properties for both acids and bases. Answer, I am amphoteric oxide. Number D. I am a salt of potassium hydroxide and nitric acid. Answer, I am potassium nitrate, KNO3. Next question. Question number 9. If numbers of electrons in an atom is 8 and number of protons is also 8, then first question, what is the atomic number of the atom? Answer, the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Therefore, the atomic number of the atom is 8. Number 2, what is the charge of an atom? Answer, since the number of both electrons and protons is equal, therefore, the charge of an atom is 0. Now, question number 10. Give any two uses of isotopes. Answer, two uses of isotopes are, number 1. One isotope of uranium 92U238 is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. Number 2. One isotope of cobalt 27CO60 is used in the treatment of cancer. Remember that this CO is the symbol of cobalt, capital C and small o. You know these are all case sensitive, so please be careful when you will write this. Now question number 11. Due to which property of water it is used as an ideal coolant? Do you know this? I am giving the answer. I am giving the answer keys. Highest value of specific heat among the commonly known liquids. Okay, the property is water has the highest value of specific heat among the commonly known liquids. Question number 12. For which type of substance formula unit mass is applied? Answer, we use the word formula unit for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. Number 13, for number 12, I can give one example. Maybe you have remembered or not, that I don't know. Example is NaCl, sodium chloride, or common salt or table salt. Because ion means when after dissolving in water, it will be ionized, forming sodium ion, that is Na plus ion, and chloride anion, that is Cl minus ion. Now next question. Question number 13. Name a gas whose gram atomic weight and gram molecular weight are same. An inert gas like helium gas, gram atomic mass same as gram molecular weight. Number 14. Of the two fundamental particles, proton and neutron, whose number in the nucleus determines the identity of the element. Answer is proton. Question number 15. Name 3 atomic species known to you which contain the same number of protons and neutrons in the nuclei. Answer is 6C12. 6 protons plus 6 neutrons. You can say 8O16. 8 protons plus 8 neutrons. And you can say 20Ca40. 20 protons plus 20 neutrons. First one is carbon, second one is oxygen, and the third one is calcium. Now question number 16. Calculate the number of neutrons present in the nuclei of the following isotopes, given the atomic numbers of lithium, magnesium and chlorine to be 3, 12 and 17 respectively. So first one is lithium 6, Li6. Here 3 neutrons, Li7, that means lithium 7, 4 neutrons, magnesium 24, 12 neutrons, magnesium 25, 13 neutrons, chlorine 35, 18 neutrons, and chlorine 37, 20 neutrons. Next question, question number 17. What causes blue baby syndrome? Presence of excess amount of dissolved nitrate salts in drinking water can cause blue baby syndrome. Question number 18. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? So number A is salt solution, B starch solution, C solution of blue vitriol, that is CuSO4 5H2O, and number D is milk. So out of the given solutions, starch solution and milk are colloids, and hence they show Tyndall effect. That means first you have to identify which solutions are the colloid, so that you can give the answer. Okay. Next question number 19. 100 gram of ethyl alcohol and 10 gram of water are mixed to form a solution. Identify the solute and solvent in this case. Here ethyl alcohol is the solvent and water is solute. You know both the formulae, that is ethyl alcohol formula is C2H5OH. It is an organic alcohol, and water formula is H2O. Question number 20. What type of solution is human blood? It's a very interesting question, I think so. Human blood is a solution as it is a colloidal solution of hemoglobin in water, that is plasma. So hemoglobin in water, that is plasma. Thank you students for attending this class. The question answers I have discussed here is going to help you in your next class also. So please write down the question answer and send me in my given email ID. Write all the question answers in your physical science exercise book. In any physical science exercise book you can write. For any doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to send your physical science assignments in this given email ID.